Good morning, kindergartners. Happy Thursday. We're going to start off our morning meeting today with another bug greeting. And I thought today we can do a grasshopper greeting. And I don't know about you, but I know that grasshoppers greet and make sounds with their legs, and they rub their back legs together to make their singing sound. So we're just going to do a grasshopper greeting just like that by rubbing our hands together just like they were our grasshopper legs. So we're going to rub them together and we're going to say good morning, and we can sing it just like a grasshopper makes sounds with his legs. Ready? Here we go. Good morning. Well, now that we've done our greeting, it's time to read our message and find out what's happening today. Today is May 14, 2020. Dear poets, today is Thursday. You will have Letterland with me, Writing with Mrs. Rose, and Library with Mrs. Potter. Remember, tomorrow is our Google Hangout at 9:30 to 10. You need to bring a yes and no sign. So yes on one side, no on the other. And you can put it on a piece of paper or you could make it on a little sign, whatever you want to do. And we're going to play a special game with those two words. So that's happening tomorrow. Also, today your Seesaw attendance post is you are going to be writing an All About Me poem with Mrs. Rose. And I made an example of part of an All About Me poem so you kind of know what I'm looking for. You're going to share your poem after you write it today. You can videotape yourself reading it. You could just type the words so I can see it, or you could record your voice reading the poem. So here's an example of my All About Me poem, and it's called an All About Me because it's about me. It says, I am an outdoor explorer because I like to go outside. I feel happy when it's sunny. I love spring and summer. So you're going to be using words like I am, I feel, I love, and you're going to be creating your own All About Me poem. So I can't wait to hear poems that are all about you. All right, now it's time for our daily shout out. And I'm excited because this person has probably been waiting a long time. I'm just going to move my face up here a little bit so I can get to my pen. All right, this person is a boy, and he really is a great artist. He likes Pokemon cards. He really likes dragons, and he likes to build with Legos. He's a very kind person. Oh, here's a big clue. And his mom helped out a lot in our room this year with our 100 dot t-shirts. Can you think about who this special friend is? It's Gavin. Gavin is our student of the day. So we're going to write Gavin's name with an uppercase G, there we go, an A, a V, an I, and an N. And now we're going to look at Gavin's name and find out how many vowels and consonants he has. So if I look at his name, here is a vowel, A. I'm going to circle that. I is also a vowel. Oh, he kind of has an A-B pattern in his name. No vowels, vowels, no vowel, vowel, no vowel. All right, let's count the vowels. 1, 2. So in our addition sentence, we're going to write a 2 first. Let's count the consonants. 1, 2, 3. We're going to write a 3 next. We're going to add up the vowels and consonants to know how many letters he has in his name. So he has 2 plus 3. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5. Gavin has 5 letters in his name. Okay, next we're going to do our shout out for Gavin. So remember, I want you to shout really loud unless you have babies sleeping. Then you can just pretend to shout really loud. And you're going to cheer for Gavin, wish him a nice message today. Are you guys ready for our student shout out? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Good morning, Gavin! We're so excited that you're here today! We hope you have fun learning and that you have fun making your poem and that you get to play outside and maybe just have fun with your family today. We miss you. Bye. Oh, I bet Gavin felt a lot of love from all of us. Great job. All right, the next part is our poem. And this week we're doing the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Oh, I love this one. Yesterday we found the S blends in this poem. Well, today we're going to listen for all the rhyming words. Okay, so if you know the actions to the song, you can use your arms or you can use your body or something by you. And I'm going to kind of teach you the actions. So it goes like this. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. All right, let's look at our poem and see if we can find the rhyming words. Okay, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. I don't hear any rhyming words in those lines. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Oh, that word out sounded like a word up here. Listen, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. I think spout and out rhyme. And look, they both have O-U-T, O-U-T. All right, let's listen to the next part. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Rain again. They're kind of similar. It depends on how you say them, but rain and again, if you said it like that, they kind of rhyme too because they have A-I-N. Remember, rhyming words are like word family words. They have the same endings. Great job helping me find the rhyming words in our poem. All right, now it is time for our calendar. I'm going to scoop my little face back down here. Thank you very much. And today we're going to write out the next number that comes after 13. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember, teen numbers start with what number? A 1. So we have 14. Let's go back so we can kind of look at our pattern. We had, well, let me get it off my pen. A butterfly, flower, bird. Butterfly, flower. Oh my goodness, I wonder what will come tomorrow on our butterfly symbol. Remember, tomorrow you're going to get to hear some more butterfly videos, but you're going to hear the best one of all. Tomorrow we are going to release our butterflies. Oh, I'm so excited for you to see it. So make sure you tune in to tomorrow's morning message and our video tomorrow. So let's move our arrows over one space in the reading direction. We have tomorrow is Friday, today is Thursday, and yesterday was that wacky Wednesday. All right, we're going to keep going here. Ooh, the weather today is sunny. I'm so excited. And after I'm all done with distance learning, boys and girls, I get to go to a special greenhouse and I'm going to pick out all my beautiful flowers to plant this weekend. I'm so excited and I hope you get to do something fun today in the sunny weather. All right, for our May tallies, we're going to draw our next tally because we only have 2 standing tall. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you guys remember how we make our 8? It has a funny little poem. Remember, it goes like this. Make an S and go back home. There we go. We have our 8. And last, we're going to do our counting. You know, we haven't done counting by 5s this week, so I thought maybe we can do that today. I want you to think about an exercise that you can do. Maybe you're going to do jumping jacks, sit-ups, push-ups. Maybe you're just going to stand and do squats by your chair. That's okay too, but make sure you're doing some sort of moving. We're going to count by 5s to 100, and then I'm going to send you off for learning today. Here we go. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Well, learners, I hope that you have a great day of learning, and don't forget to send me your I am poem, your All About Me poem. I can't wait to hear and read them. Have a great day of learning. Bye.